Honor.
Okay, tatanungin ko si Secretary Bunoan kasi alam niyo po, sa October 20, pag-uusapan namin ang DPWH budget. Tinanggal na po yung flood control na 200, may nagsasabing 260, may nagsasabing 275 billion. May natitira pa. Hindi po kaya yung natitira ay overpriced pa rin? Secretary, dito po sa naririnig natin, ha?
Your Honor, I think the budget, I mean the amount that is included in the budget is just a provisional amount, you know. If a project says 100 million, it is up to the implementing office actually to see to it that that project is done properly. What I am hearing now is actually that there are many ways for them to bloat the cost of
kaya
the project.
overpriced. Kaya siya overpriced.
That's why they're overpriced actually, Your Honor.
Sino po yung nagde-decide dun sa mga project? Kasi lumalabas po kasi overpriced eh. 'Di ba? So, ino-overprice yan para may espasyo para maghatian.
Yes.
Pero sa sobrang grabe yung hatian, kahit yung project mismo, nakakalahati na rin lang yung napupunta dapat dun sa proyekto. In fact, 30% na nga, mas maliit pa. 50% for non-flood control, 30% for flood control. So, ibig sabihin nun, even yung paglalagay ng presyo ng mga proyekto, may problema. Doon pa lang, may problema na. Tama, Secretary, no?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi I think the district engineering offices has a threshold authority up to 150 million. So it's actually their authority. Incumbent na sa kanila how they're going to implement it.
Nasa kanila po yan, pero hindi ho ba yan chinecheck ng central office, ng DPWH? At least during your time, Secretary, no? If Secretary Dizon were here, I would ask him the same question, pero wala po siya dito. So, Secretary Bunoan, hindi ba yan incumbent upon the central office to check kung overpriced ba talaga itong mga proyektong to o hindi?
Your Honor, we gave them all the full authority actually at the district offices because they have all the check and balances in the implement. Nandoon po yung quality assurance unit nila, nandoon yung
well, klarong-klaro po may problema tayo kasi
audit nila, nandoon yung audit nila, nandoon yung inspector nila. So it's all within their authority,
so,
Your Honor.
sinasabi niyo po pinaubayan na ng central office dun sa distrito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, and this is something we have to change kasi kitang-kita po dahil pinaubaya po sa kanila, ilang taon na po yung ganyan ng sistema. Bryce, ilang taon